Disclosures. What do you disclose to buyers when you're selling your home? Full disclosure is vital to ensure that you're protected during and after the sale. I highly suggest going over the disclosure form with your agent prior to your home actually being offered for sale, as it's required that the buyer is able to review these disclosures before they even present you with an offer. Having this form completed and available to buyers will actually help ensure that a buyer makes an offer with all of the pertinent information that they need, and they won't back out from things that they should have already been made aware of. Hi, I'm Kelly Domaille, owner and associate broker of Domaille Real Estate at eXp Realty. In Minnesota, we actually have a 12-page form called the Seller's Property Disclosure Statement. This disclosure form is not only required, but it's actually a safety net for both the buyer and the seller. You're going to disclose everything from whether you've made any repairs or replacements to the condition of all the current systems in your home. When you're selling anything that's ever been repaired, replaced, modified, added, fixed, or changed, it needs to be disclosed. If you've painted the walls, cleaned or changed the carpets, added new lighting, or fixed the water heater, you need to disclose it. One of my common responses is, if you have to ask me, should you disclose it or not? The answer is most always going to be yes. Over disclosure is better than under disclosure, and it's going to keep you out of trouble. You want the buyer to know anything and everything that you know about the home and the neighborhood, and that could have an impact on their use and enjoyment of the home, or even the price of the home. And I'm happy to say that after selling over 700 homes in the past 18 years, I've never had a lawsuit. So this is really important to understand. When you disclose properly, you don't have to worry about anyone coming back to you later, trying to extract more money out of you, or possibly threatening to see you in court. Obviously, you can only disclose what you know. You're not required to do any investigation or pre-inspections. So just disclose, disclose, disclose. Again, I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate. We love where we live, and we want you to love where you live.